Excellencies, mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, madayaw, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan, magandang araw sa inyong lahat, good day to everyone. Today we come together to remember and honor the more than 6 million Jews who lost their lives in the Holocaust, a dark chapter in human history. We pay tribute to their unwavering bravery in the face of relentless persecution and their remarkable strength in the midst of adversity. As we gather in remembrance for this year's International Holocaust Remembrance Day, let us unite as a global community in solemn reflection. Together, we pledge to combat intolerance and reaffirm our unwavering commitment